The 1976 Ford Limited is a behemoth of a car that prioritizes comfort over handling and performance. Despite its shortcomings in the performance department, the Limited was a sales success, with nearly 30,000 units sold in the hardtop configuration. This was during the era of the personal car, where individuals sought vehicles that reflected their personality and style. The LTD's emphasis on comfort is evident in its spacious interior, which features plush seats, ample legroom, and a range of amenities designed to make long road trips a breeze. While it may not have been the most agile or responsive car on the road, the LTD's approach made it a favorite among those who valued relaxation and convenience above all else. The example featured here is a two-door hardtop that has been sitting dormant for the past 2 decades. Despite its prolonged period of inactivity, the car's bodywork is in surprisingly good condition, with only minor signs of wear and tear. This is a testament to the LTD's robust build quality and the care with which it was maintained during its earlier years. As a relic of a bygone era, the 1976 Ford LTD offers a fascinating glimpse into the automotive preferences of the past. Its emphasis on comfort and style over performance and handling reflects the values of an era where the personal car reigned supreme. Today, the LTD remains a beloved classic among car enthusiasts who appreciates its unique blend of comfort, style, and nostalgia.